Hey, what's going on guys? Watch Review here. Today in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Tissot PRC 200. Now let's get started. As you can see around the box, it looks like they have the logos from each year that they changed it, which is actually pretty cool. I can definitely tell already that they are fans of their heritage. Feels pretty heavy actually, very substantial. Tissot Swiss watches since 1853. Down here, oh, looks like we have some booklets actually. Take those out. Looks like a model guide right here, showing you all the different models that they have. Yep. Pretty cool. Oh, looks like they have a booklet on the story of their watch company. That's actually pretty cool. Wow, you don't see nowadays watch companies doing that. Alright, let's get into the box here. Open that up. Falls right out. Got the pillow. Put the watch off to the side, see what else there is in here. Right there. Another little booklet. Probably the user's guide. Oh. Yep. You can read that later. Nothing in there. Oh. What do we have here? Oh, it's like a little bag. That's pretty cool. So if you have to ever service your watch, they give you a little bag. It's really soft. That's pretty cool. And I think that is it. Let's take a look at the watch. Pop it out. See if it's hot. Got a little plastic over that. Let's see if we can take this off. There we go. Ooh, it's got some weight to it. It is made out of stainless steel, so you can definitely feel the weight. So it looks like they have kind of their own type of clasp here. I think you just push it through here. That. Through the hole. I like that. That's pretty cool. I like how they designed that. There is just the day complication on here. There's no other sort of complications. But anyways guys, thank you for watching the unboxing. If you guys want to see the review should be out sometime this week. So if you guys want to see that, be sure to like the video and subscribe to see the review. And I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Peace.